guys, and welcome back to my channel. I do hope you all are having an amazing day, and today in the kitchen I will be sharing a recipe for a vegetarian or vegan dish. Now this first recipe, we will be making some pea stew or stew peas. And to get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. So here I have some red peas and black-eyed peas that I've been soaking overnight. And here I have some fresh coconut milk. I will also be using some onions, carrots, tricolor bell peppers, some garlic, thyme. I have some tomatoes, green onions, tomato sauce. I have some brown sugar, sazon seasoning, black pepper, garlic salt, seasoned salt, and some complete seasoning. So the first thing we'll do is boil our peas, and here I will add some garlic salt because I want the peas to have taste from jump. And you could also use just regular salt here if you wish. And I will be boiling the red peas first for about 15 to 20 minutes because that's a little bit more tough. Then I'll add my black-eyed peas. So after about 20 minutes, I will now add my black-eyed peas and let it boil until it is soft but not mushy. And once you check your peas and you can pop it but not very easily, that's how you know the peas is ready. You don't want it to be like mushy because we will be boiling this for another 30 to 40 minutes in the coconut milk. So basically we are finishing it off in the coconut milk. So here I have my preheated wok with about 2 tablespoons of oil. And we will now add the brown sugar and allow the sugar to caramelize a bit. This will create a beautiful color for our stew. Once the sugar caramelizes and it becomes brown in color, we will now add the tomato sauce. We will give that a good stir. Then we will add our onions, tomatoes, peppers, carrots, or garlic, and we will let them all go for about 5 minutes. So at this point, we will now add the peas with the liquid that we boiled it in, and then we will add our coconut milk. We will also add our seasonings here to flavor this up a bit. Then we will add the thyme, and I will be adding 2 habanero peppers as well because I like my spice. Then we will cover this and allow it to simmer until all the liquid, or most of the liquid I should say, evaporates. So it's been about 20 minutes and now we are checking, and I think this still needs to reduce a bit. So what I'll do here is leave this uncovered and allow it to reduce some more. So this is the perfect consistency here, guys. You don't need this to be too dry. You still need a little bit of gravy in there. So this is perfect. And when it cools down, it becomes, it thickens up more. So now I will add my green onions. And this is the finished product, guys. This is super delicious and it is also filling for a vegetarian dish. So now we will go ahead and make a delicious stir-fried vegetables to go with our stew peas or pea stew. So here I have some cabbage, some carrots, and some broccoli. I will also be using some peppers, red onions, some garlic, butter, and I have here some complete seasoning, black pepper, and seasoned salt. So here in my preheated pan, I will now go ahead and melt the butter. Next, we'll add the peppers and onions and allow them to saute for about 3 minutes. Now we'll add the garlic, move it around for about a few seconds, then we will add the vegetables and allow it to wilt a bit. Now the vegetables have wilted and it's easier to manage. So now we will add our seasonings. We will mix well and we will allow it to fry for about 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, our stir-fried vegetables are now done and it smells so good. It is delicious, healthy, and perfect for our vegetarian dish. And lastly, guys, we will be frying some yellow plantains or ripe plantains for our vegetarian dish. Now this part, guys, is super simple and easy. You just get a little bit of oil and you put your plantains in there, and when it reaches your desired color, you flip them and allow them to cook on the other side, and then you just remove them from the oil. Super simple and easy. Okay guys, so this is my delicious recipe for a vegetarian or vegan dish. It is super filling, it is healthy, it is delicious, and it's my go-to for when I want something, without meat or, just clean eating. This is my go-to dish that I would make. And I do hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!